Hey there, animal lovers! Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to share an enchanting story about a ringneck parrot. So let's dive right in. As soon as I open the cage door, they come out quickly. It seems they are waiting for this time. These birds come out and engage in a fight to eat the nuts from my husband's hand. It's a popular choice for pet owners, as it's known for its intelligence and playful nature. These birds are a symbol of India's natural beauty and a reminder of the importance of conservation. There is so much smart also. This vibrant bird is a sight to behold, with its emerald green feathers and striking red ring around its neck. It's a sight to behold. And guess what? This is my home, an open and pleasant environment all around. The green ringneck parrot is native to India, and it's often associated with the country's rich biodiversity. It's a wonderful place for birds to thrive and enjoy their natural habitat. When I let them out in the morning, they fly around and perch on the trees. Enjoying the sunshine and the cool breeze. It's a sight to behold. And I'm so grateful to be able to provide this environment for these. Beautiful creatures. Thank you for joining us today, animal lovers. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the lives of these amazing birds. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories about our feathered friends. Until next time, take care and stay wild.